Hi students, today we are going to talk about the chapter compound interest, and in this chapter we are going to talk about a very important formula, which is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of years or the time. Have you ever wondered where is this formula coming from? You'll be surprised that this formula is getting derived from a simple interest formula which we have already studied, which is P into R into T upon 100. Let's see how. So let's calculate the interest in the first year. If I have P as the principal and give it to the bank at the rate of interest, which is R, for 1 year, let me see what is the interest I have in the first year. I is equal to P into R into 1 upon 100 because we are calculating the interest for the first year. What will be the amount at the end of the year, which will be P, my principal, plus PR upon 100, which is the interest we just calculated. What is this looking like? P, if I take common from both, I get 1 plus R upon 100. This is the amount at the end of the first year. Note this, very important. Let's start with the second year. Now, this is the amount at the end of the first year. My second year rate will be calculated on this money, isn't it? This is the money with the bank now. So what is going to be my second year interest will be again with this formula P into R into T upon 100. P 1 plus R upon 100 is the new principal, this one, into the second year rate in upon 100 into 1, because we are calculating only for 1 year. What is this looking like? P R upon 100 and in the bracket 1 plus R upon 100. This is the interest in the second year. Don't forget. And so we can calculate amount at the end of the second year. How do we calculate amount? The principal at the end of the first year, my principal, or the amount at the end of the year, which is P 1 plus R upon 100 plus my interest, which is this amount, PR upon 100, 1 plus R upon 100. Simple. This is the amount after the second year. Can I simplify this? Yes. How can I simplify this? I can take P1 plus R upon 100 common in both. So if I take P1 plus R upon 100, what I get in the bracket is 1. This is 1 plus R upon 100, which is nothing but P1 plus R upon 100 whole square. Can I write this as square? Perfect. So amount at the end of the second year is P1 plus R upon 100 square. Now, if I calculate the amount at the end of the third year with the same method, you will see that amount is P1 plus R upon 100 to the power 3. And so if I calculate the amount at the end of 7th year, I'll see that my amount is P1 plus R upon 100 to the power 7. And so I can easily say that if there are n number of years when I have to calculate the amount, this will be P1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. And this is how we get this formula, which is this one, from this basic formula of simple interest. And students, believe me that if you know how this is done, then you can do any sum in your chapter. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.